Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to import data from Excel into Pipedrive? In this guide, we will show you how to prepare your Excel file, map the data fields, and successfully import the data into Pipedrive. Let's get your data transferred and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first, go ahead and click on pipedrive.com. Log into your account and then you will be able to view this dashboard. Go ahead and go to this bottom page menu and click on these three dots. This will allow you to view these options. Click on import data, and from here you will be able to import your data from Excel. First of all, we need to import data is an Excel file. So let's go ahead and create one. I'm going to go here into the desktop and I'm going to create a new Excel file. There we go. Let's name it Pipedrive data and let's save it. Next thing I would do is to go ahead and open it. And there we go. Now we have to respect a couple of things when we are trying to create database in Excel that we're gonna be in the future uploading it in our Pipedrive account. So first thing, there should be not multiple pages or sheets inside of your spreadsheets. Second thing is, if you do have any sort of formulas in your spreadsheets, make sure to remove them and only have text. Second of all, do not have symbols. For example, let's say I have like here $100. I should remove the dollar sign and only leave 100 or 1000, I mean. So these are the rules that you have to respect. Now let's try to manage and create a database. First of all, let's make data for customers. So let's give here name, let's give them here company, and here phone number, here deal, and they can make them bigger, something like that. What else do we need? Process, and something like that could be good. Let's manage to make them in a good format, make them in the middle, make them bold, and something like that could be good as well. So now what I'm gonna do is go here and manage to fill these options. I'm going to open fake name generator so we can have fake data easily made. So I'm gonna copy this name, paste it here, and I'm gonna copy this, paste it here, and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it right there. Here deal, for example, phones, I'm gonna sell them phones, and the process in negotiation. Let's make sure that they are well written, well made, and here let's color this with another color. Here 100 phone, for example, and that's pretty much it. Now let's try to create 3 or 2 more of this. Let's go here, generate, copy, paste here, and let's do the same thing here. Let's copy the number, paste it right here. Let's do, for example, here 30 phones. Let's do this in done, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure that they all look good, make this in green, for example, and now let's go for the final contact. I'm gonna regenerate, copy this, paste it here, regenerate again, copy this, paste it right there, and have a phone number, which is this one, paste it here. Let's say, for example, 200 phones, and the process cancelled. Here I'm gonna name it in red, or make it in red, And just like that, we have made our table. Now what I'm gonna do, save it, go to your desktop, and let's make sure that we have our tab open right here, and I'm gonna simply just move it to this page, upload it, and just wait for it to be fully downloaded. Now what we have to wait is to wait for the screen light to be filled. After that, we have to finish this process where we are going to redesign a little bit of options, since for example deal and the process are basically new format that there wasn't in the system of Pipedrive, so we need to fill them. So let's create here deal, select type, it should be a text, save. Then now here's item lead deal field into deal field, and save. Here for the process we need to actually add new field, item type, organization field, product field, let's say info about companies, where your contact info about your product catalog, let's say info about your sales and opportunities, and let's make this as multiple options. Here the first 200 option will be created automatically, so let's save it, and as you can see now I can click on next, and as you can see we have organization. Let's add it to people, and let's click on next, create multiple records, and start the imports. And now we have to wait for this green line to be fulfilled. So as you can see 11 items has been added, so we can now view them. To view them you have to go to your contacts, so there will be several options either here or contacts, and as you can see these are the new information that we just added, and here we have everything. So we have like the names, we have basically the organization, and the other information could be more in the organization process, so you can find them right here. For example, these context timeline, you can find here other things such as today when they were added. Here are deals, you can find even deals right here, the new deals that you have created. So there will be a lot of things that you just have been added, and you will find them right here. For example, these are the new deals that I have created. Also there are much more than that you can create. It is all up to your creativity and what do you want to do exactly with this importation of the data. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can import Excel data into your Pipedrive accounts. It's not hard, it's not very complicated, just with few steps you can do that by yourself. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced during this process, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.